Change up your bun with this tucked technique secured with a discreet Magic-Grip Hairpin. Gather hair into a low ponytail and secure with a hair tie. Slide the hair tie down about 1 inch to loosen the style and create a pocket above the ponytail. Flip and tuck the ponytail up into the pocket, ensuring all ends are tucked away. Pull the sides inwards towards the center to conceal the hair tie, making sure that all the hair is encased within the bun. Pinch together in the center. Using a Magic-Grip hairpin, insert each leg of the pin into each side of the section and push down to insert into the bun and secure the hairstyle. A quick and easy hairstyle to try out on short to medium length or fine long hair. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.